measure 77. This is a kind of a awkward position to find. On the A string for the F sharp, it's 5th position starting, okay? Ready, go. Pay attention to the rhythm, the 8th note followed by a 16th rest. Make sure the 16th note comes late, okay? I'll do one more time. So here at measure 90, you can do a little glide on the A string. Now at letter K, I would highly suggest not to use spiccato right away to play on the string. If you can keep your first finger down, it will be very helpful. It's like a chord. So at K, I want to reiterate about use less bow because eventually we need to play very little bow and spiccato. So we need to get a good habit just for the intonation to play on the string. Now let's talk about the next section, which is 112. You could start at the tip of the bow for the 16th note pickup. Or you can do it the frog, start up bow. So now we want to talk about this jump. So let's go back to 114. So the D to C sharp is a, so 3rd to 5th. Practice many times for that jump. You want to stay in the middle part of the bow, so the spiccato, the up bow spiccato. Finding those pitch because the intonation here is quite difficult, just practice on the string. So Now we're gonna go forward to 137. Delicate and a lot of fun to play this section, but it takes a lot of bow control. It's basically you retake, so you can try some practice open string. See? Try not to move, then you ran out of bow. Okay, so that's the trick, to stay in the same spot to retake them. Okay, at letter M now. Okay, so that's just like the same as the beginning. Now we're gonna move forward to measure 160. So this scale you can chop into few sections to practice. Just to check on intonation. Now we're gonna talk about letter O. There's a glide, the measure before it's on the D string. So the same concept, use very little bow on the string, practicing. Go. But in order to do that, you have to really learn the notes correctly, particularly at 192. Because the going up is one way, coming back is B sharp coming back, okay? So make sure you're keeping your B sharp down. Now this section, I would prefer you not to practice the open E. Eventually you can go. Now we're going to talk about the last page with the trills. So all these trills, between the bow change, you should not have any breaks. Okay, now we're gonna go letter P. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Obviously, I was practicing in a slow pace. Eventually, it's going to be in 2. So I'll try one more time. So. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You have to go onto the G string. Now the letter Q, we would like to talk talk about not to play double notes right away, so just play the melody. And then eventually. Now let's skip to 231. Be careful with the note change. You hold the first finger down. So, okay, let's go to the very end, 244. You can do 2 bow, or you can do 1 bow.